symbol RSII. Currently down 24% right now. Pulling back off of that nice run up you guys had here. It's been a few days since we went through this one. You guys pinned that down to around the 24 mark right here. Right there in that general area. You guys pull back down right there. It says if buying does not pick up, you'll pull back down to support at 0119, 00876. Chart is really overbought in my opinion. Depends all on buying. So each time that this thing has tried to move, it just keeps getting pushed back down. I mean, I still think that it needs a break. I mean, I really do, because look at each time. Right here, I said it's overbought. You know, there's so much interest in it, just keeps pushing it up, and there's so many people that want to take profit. That's what happens here. I mean, you're at 005. You guys are coming off the triple area, hitting at twos like within days. I mean, that's a lot of money made for some people, guys. A lot of money. So what happens here is this. So the stock's right here. The next day it opens up here. So it gaps up, pulls back down. Everybody's like, no, we got to return this thing. And then guess what? Gap up again, pulls back down. It's just a vicious cycle. If you go on YouTube, take a look at the video. Penny stock gap ups don't do this. You'll understand what's going on there, and hopefully that video will be able to help you. That being said, what we're going to be paying attention to is going to be this line right here. That's going to be the 0150, which is going to be a solid support now coming off of these highs. Me personally, I think that it might tap down a little bit lower. It might come back down to the 10-day simple moving average. By the time that one creeps up, I think we can be able to put that right there around the 0122 area. I personally think that it's going to come down there just off of how many charts I look at. It kind of repeats itself doing the same thing over and over. So with that being said, that's what I'm going to be watching for now. I will let the chart cool down here a little bit. The chart currently, the RSI is at 73. I mean, it's much better than where it was yesterday at 97. So it's definitely starting to chill out. Watching a day or so for that thing to bounce. I'm going to go ahead and put the support levels in there for those things for you to watch. Go ahead, Joe.
All right, so they had a press release 2 days ago, and it was Rising India Incorporated highlights shareholder conference call regarding cannabis pharmaceutical research and development merger. So on February 27th, Rising Media Incorporated has received several requests from shareholders for a recap to the company's shareholder conference call, which featured detailed information about the incoming merger company, Rising Bioscience. It's Rising Biosciences Incorporated. Rhizo Biosciences Incorporated will be a research and development company focusing on oral and topical pharmaceuticals with strict standards set forward by the pharmaceutical compounding industry. Aside from cancer treatment and pain management, some of the uses for medical marijuana include treatment of conditions such as seizure disorders, multiple sclerosis, Parkinson's disease, rheumatoid arthritis, glaucoma, and Crohn's disease. Rising Biosciences is comprised of a team of chemists, physicians, pharmacists, and medical marijuana industry veterans for the development of products in a clinical lab environment. Operations will focus on creating products that can be metabolized by the body more efficiently and with delivery methods more acceptable than smoking, tinctures, and oils available on the market today. Procedures will include consistency in terms of quality and true dosage measures of CBD and or THC delivery through each product the company develops and manufactures. To date, the industry suffers from the lack of overall quality control of product, including accurate dosage. Rising Bioscience intends to be an industry standout by using policies and procedures set forth by the compounding pharmaceutical industry while monitoring safety and quality throughout. So that's pretty much it from the press release 2 days ago. I guess they have this merger that's going on there. Let's see. I'm gonna see if what they have for their company itself. Well, we went over it on the 24th too. All right. So I mean, if you have an opinion on it, feel free to go over to the Investors Hangout stock message board and right at the ticker symbol RSII. And share it with the tens of thousands of daily like-minded investors that are using the site.
All right, awesome, Joe. All right, so again with the chart real quick, 0165 chart is starting to cool down, support at 0150, 0122, might go sideways for a day or so. Watch for buying to return. Again, that is going to be our RSII. If you feel that this video helped you in any way, make sure you hit that subscribe and like button. We would definitely appreciate that. And as always, if you have a hot stock that you'd like to share with us, for us to go over, head over to investorshangout.com/live.